Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Ryan and I are going to be putting together two bookcases that we bought from Wayfair. But before we get all of that done, we're going to be making some breakfast. For me, I can't eat much, so I'm going to have an ensure and maybe make a cup of coffee. I'm not sure what Ryan's gonna do, but let's see.
We are sure what we make for breakfast, Vanessa?
What do you make, Ryan?
Nothing.
What are you making?
Egg and plantain.
Not no egg and plantain, because you have one pot of water, you're saying you're going to make egg and plantain. Ryan is making, what's that, Ryan?
Nisa, I'm just making a little
Top
ramen
a
thing.
little what?
Yeah.
A little what?
Just a little quick fix.
A quick fix?
Yes.
Anywho, let me go in. Ryan, are your phone a ring? On my phone?
Yeah.
Where we phone there? Yes, mommy?
Miss?
Yeah.
Azaelia have a tantrum, it's terrible.
What she no want to do?
She a cry.
And then can't relax her.
The teacher take her and I try, but she a cry out hell. She a cry like there's no tomorrow.
So everyone has a breaking point.
What you trying
Okay,
to say?
just so you know. So a person can be nice until they realize that, alright, this is more than I can manage right now. I mean, as I said, I kind of know her, whatever, but know that she's nice and all these things, but if as they go up there every day and create that the problem, then you know.
Yeah, worry about things.
Means I have to worry. You
don't
know
need
that.
to worry.
Because our responsibility. You know that. And your mother child. So at the end of the day, when Azaelia act up and so it will affect me. Because even though we may, like, it's like we make a decision to send her, but at the same time you still have to worry. I can't just leave Azaelia and just live my life. So like everybody has a breaking point, you know. Like your mother says certain things like say, oh, is she alright, and it's deep down needs and it will affect her after a while.
It take a village to raise a child, regardless.
Yes,
It
but we still have to think. We still have to worry,
Yeah,
like
you
we want to
can-
know.
Yeah, you can't worry, but all me I say is it take a village to raise a child. Everybody have a breaking point, including parents as well. Yes, you know, say it's your responsibility, but having a child or raising a child is very hard on anyone. Imagine people who have 3, 4, and 5.
But what I don't want, ma'am, is everybody keep saying, oh, she alright, she have to be alright, when deep down she's not okay.
What do you mean by deep down she's not okay? Azaelia is having the time
listen,
of her life, you
Listen
know.
to what I'm saying. I did not say she is not okay. I'm saying every time when something happens, your mother, everybody keeps saying, oh, she alright, she alright. But what I'm saying, what if deep down she is not okay?
Meaning?
When everybody else says she alright, what if she not alright?
So you feel like she's not alright?
Oh my God. Listen,
I'm just asking.
I do not know.
Then why are you assuming?
Listen, I do not know. What I'm saying is that when she act up, please just tell me what is happening rather than say, oh, she okay.
Okay, me understand that part, but
Yes,
I don't
that
like
me
say
want, that me want.
no. Like even though mommy will say she alright, mommy still tell me what she does. Mommy still tell me this, and I like say.
I pick me
No. She would say them a pitney and then ako, but at the same time she still explain what she does, and then you can get your takeaway from that. But at the end of the day, she is still a child, and if me get it, you go through your emotions as it relates to her being there, but at the same time, like you have to come to terms with it. It's going to be
Look here,
over a while.
it not it not have anything to do with that.
Then
What
what
I'm
is
saying,
it?
Nissan, you are here. I'm not here some of the time. So when time stuff like that happen, I want to know what is happening.
Yes, and I do update you.
That's all me I say.
Yeah.
But I mean, I really like when people say, "Oh, she okay, oh, she okay," but then
Yeah, they said that in the break. Mommy just has said that at the
me want
start
know, me
because
want know what she do, so we can remember she was here with us for a
yes,
while.
Azaelia, yes, Ryan.
Yes, so we can offer some tips like how to help, to calm her down or whatever. So if person keeps saying, "Oh, she okay," it is not going to be okay. Like every time she
Okay.
act up, person is not gonna know what to do. So me want to know so we can offer certain things. Distraction. Them not really know how to distract as yet.
Okay.
You understand? When as they act up, me distract her with something else and she can't write down. Not all the time, but most of the time. So
Yeah.
I just want to know that.
Okay.
You don't know why you keep talking about how me all emotion and them something. What that have to do with nothing?
Me feel say like you do miss her to an
Oh my God! So you don't miss her?
I miss her to a point.
Oh my God! You she miss her to a point.
And of course, me love her and me miss her, but like she become overwhelming sometime. Like
Look here, when she become overwhelming sometimes, I just understand. So look here. My duty.
so not my duty too, but at the same time,
Me miss her, me miss her the whole time, not to a point.
Okay, like me will sit down in our house in silence and maybe like, oh my God, silence.
Well, I can't do that.
And then me, I think about the fact that yes, Ryan gonna work, Azaelia is with mommy. Silence.
Total opposite to me. Cause with me there by myself, I say, oh God, I just stand there when me talk to her and whatever. So I total
So you don't miss
opposite.
me.
I think
You're there by yourself. I
Hold on
say,
now.
okay, you miss me. You miss Azaelia. You wish Azaelia.
the conversation started out with Azae.
Okay.
So don't bother flip the thing about talk about you.
Okay.
Not because you talk about me gone about my business. Yeah, we let me know say you like when then you alone there,
Yes.
but I don't like it. So
I love silence. I love.
you want nice sometime.
What?
I want the nice from Azae sometime.
Funny enough, me don't record all of this.
I know.
Now I am going to make me some Mountain Peak coffee. I do not like this creamer. Ryan likes creamer. I do not like this. So
It's a normal creamer. Normal
What?
creamer.
it's a what?
It's a normal creamer. What you don't like about it?
like it. So instead, I got vanilla, but today we're gonna use the hazelnut creamer.
Hazelnut taste good.
You know, taste no way.
The hazelnut creamer. The powder one. And it tastes fun. French cut.
Time to go and put the bookcase together now that I have some coffee. Hi guys! So we are starting to open up the boxes. Well, not me, but Ryan is opening up the boxes so we can start putting them together. Hopefully we make it through because we have been putting stuff together and everything that we put together has caused an argument. So
You start the argument all the time over foolishness.
So, let's see if we make this through, right?
Like why somebody argue over putting something together? And must you start it, man?
Okay. You want to start arguing now before we even start putting it together?
You are saying,
Oh my gosh.
My God. Yes, I totally forget that this thing was heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah. As in, I can lift and me carry it up. But just I say it's heavy. That makes sense.
So this is turning out a little bit harder than we expected because the iron is not really like we're screwing against the iron, so it's just taking us a really long time to get that screw in to the hole. So yeah. You want it on the upside down? So the problem that we are running into right now is that the screws that are supposed to go on the shelves are not going through. We tried opening up the hole. We tried so many different things. So we're taking a break right now to see if we can just troubleshoot this to see how we're going to get these screws into the hole for the shelves.
Alright, 2 down.
So Ryan is basically greasing it with
My machine, my clipper.
clipper, whatever
Cold
that is.
care. Yeah.
And
It's
they
working
are
perfectly.
basically working to get the screws in. So we're going to see if it keeps working, then I guess we're going to basically use this way to see if we can get everything. So we just completed the first bookcase and it looks great. I just don't know what I'm gonna do to decorate this thing, but it looks really nice and it's going to go well with our TV stand slash TV console right there. So Ryan is putting in the last screw. And then we will be done. The good thing about this is that we know what we did to make it easier for the second one, so the second one won't take as long as this one did. So yeah, we are done. Ryan is gonna put it to stand.
G.
Oh, to the back.
Oh.
Oh, we're not completed. We still have 2 things that we need to put to the back of the shelf. Okay, so we're gonna do that now.
See why I need one, man.
Shut up.
Yeah. So why I can't do it up, man.
Well, if people can do it up, man.
I'm not going to figure out this at all.
What?
They could do this door
I
without
would
me.
eventually figure it
Oh,
out.
you don't know if we go in my stuff and get the oil.
You know what? Lean up the bookshelf so people can see this. So we have
So you're not put on the glass?
completed. Yeah, we're gonna put on the glass. one bookshelf. There it is. It's really tall and nice. Put it up against the wall, right? Let me see it. So it's going to go right there. And it looks so nice in that little spot, and get something like a tall, nice vase to go on top of that. It's going to just pop.
We had to put one vase on here so we can
And
come
put
to
something,
here.
yeah, and put one greenery or something up on top.
Of it?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to
Should
draw
make it
this
pop.
up more so we can have more space here. So,
Yeah.
you say here so long.
Yeah. So yeah. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the next one.
Hold on, let me see what time. 11:21, I can't do it.
Okay, so we're going to put the next one together quickly.
No, we know, we're not here stressed out. We can
Yeah.
just
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so yeah.
grease it up and move.
And I'm going to put my camera to charge in the meantime, and then we will show you the finished product. Yep. So yeah, let's go. So we just finished. Why you do that? We just finished putting our TV stands together, and well, bookcases, not the TV stand. TV stand was also already delivered and put together here, but we put up our bookshelves and bookcases, whatever they want to call it. We put it together and it looked so good. I am so happy that we had less argument this time. The first one took
Why we had less arguments? Why?
because the instructions were clear, and Ryan was able to follow my instructions easily because
I put you in control. Which one of them?
your business won't put me in control. But anyways, we figured out a little hack on how to get the screws in, and we were happy we did that.
Use
because
a little grease.
A little grease, and it helped a lot. So the first one took us, I would say, a little bit over 30 minutes, and then the other one took less than about 15 minutes to put together because we were like, but anyways, it looks lovely with the TV console, and we did a good job. High five. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, not down, up, and yeah, like and share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.